Oh dear. It would appear we've run out of gas. Not a problem. I'll just go into the gas locker and turn the changeover valve. However, last time we got a new gas bottle, I thought, oh, I'll film that so you guys know how we change our gas over. I haven't actually got round to filming it yet, so I think the second gas bottle isn't even hooked up. So now I've got to go out in the cold, in the dark, in the wet to change the gas bottle. All because I was saving to film it for you guys. The things I do for you, eh? Off we go then. Let's see if I can show you how I do it in the dark.
So the gas never runs out at lunchtime in the daylight, but it does run out at night time when it's wet and cold and miserable, but I don't have to change it.
Looks like it stopped raining, so there's a bonus. Before I can do anything, I've got to move our little trolley off the front of the boat, because that's our gas locker under there. Got a little padlock on so no little scrope nicks it in the middle of the night. I say that, but to be fair, while we've been on the boat, we haven't really had any troubles. I think there was one time where some kids nicked the dog's balls off the roof of the boat and chucked them in the canal. But yeah, we didn't hear them. They didn't cause any trouble. They were just being idiots, I suppose. But yeah, that's the only trouble we've had on the canal. So yeah, if I didn't chain it up, it may go walkabout. So let's get this lock off. Let's get on the tow back. What you pair doing, eh? Moment of truth then, I don't think I hooked it up. No I didn't. So as you can see then, in our gas locker we have two gas bottles, two 13 kilo propane gas bottles, and we have down there a little changeover valve. Whichever way that red arrow is pointing is to the gas bottle that is live at the time. As you can see, that one's hooked up. This one is not. It's not too bad of a job to hook up actually, so it shouldn't take me too long. All new gas bottles come with a little cap on, so we have to undo that and then put our flexible hose in. So if you don't know, they're backwards threaded, so it's clockwise to undo it, and then when I find out my flexible hose, just move my spanner so I don't lose it, it will be anti-clockwise to do it back up. There it is. Quite a fine thread, so you have to make sure you've got it nice and straight. And it feels a bit weird trying to tighten something up the opposite way to what you're used to. There we go. Get it nice and tight with your hands, and then it'll just need a quarter turn with the spanner. Probably not even a quarter turn actually, but just enough to lock it off. There we go. Not that it really makes any difference, but I always like to close off the valve on top of the empty bottle. Open this one up, and then we flick over a changeover valve. There we go, and we should be good to go. I can get my chips cooking again. Happy days. Right then, let's get more chips back on the go. There we go. We are cooking, literally. See what I did there? Let's have a look on the calendar, see how long that's lasted us, because we never really checked to be fair, but I'm pretty sure we marked it on the calendar last time, so let's go and have a nose. Tell me your life is dull without telling me your life is dull. Emma, what are you doing?
I'm trying to mark this so we know which lead this belongs to, which head torch this lead belongs to. I don't care what you say, I've got lots of cables and I like to know which one belongs to which device.
Okay, love.
Shut up.
bless her. She's marking all the leads in the drawer so we know what they're for. If it fits, that's what it's for, Emma. If it don't fit, it ain't for that. Well,
as we proved earlier,
we'll let the viewers decide,
fit.
Emma.
So the one I tried that didn't fit.
No.
Then put the correct one in and it worked.
The lead is fine. It was the wrong plug you were plugging it into, love.
Away. Dickhead.
I've come down here to check the calendar to see when we've done the gas bottle, not to see you sorting out your bloody cables.
You won't see it on there. This is this year's calendar.
Oh, never mind. I don't know, what do we use? About, what, 5 gas bottles a year on average?
I'll put it on the calendar so I don't forget.
And then you took the calendar away. We get through about 5 gas bottles a year. We probably do 3 to 4 in the winter. And then just 1 or 2 in the summer, because obviously in the winter...
It's all the cooking I do, isn't it?
Yeah, but in the winter we use it to heat the water, whereas in the summer we don't. So we use far less gas in the summer.
True.
So I was astounded. Your mum and dad come down the other week and they told us what their gas and electric bill was for a month. It's like,
170 quid, wasn't it?
Glad we live on a boat. So their gas and electric bill for 1 month was probably equivalent to what we've spent on coal and gas for like the whole winter. It's crazy. So yeah, you know, it's cheap living, isn't it? Really?
Of course, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it can be cheap on a boat, but I think there's probably too many people that move onto a boat because it's cheap, and I think that's the wrong reason to have a boat.
It's not always cheap, though.
Yeah, well, exactly.
The maintenance isn't cheap.
Exactly.
Everything costs a lot of money when you're talking about boat repairs.
Yeah, bring out another 1,000. That's what they reckon boat stands for. So I think if you are moving on, yeah, you not heard that.
No.
I think if you are thinking about, you know, moving onto a boat, don't do it because you think it's going to be cheap. Yes, day-to-day living might be cheap, but you're going to get stung with some big bills every now and then with the maintenance if you do it properly. And then also if you do it because it's cheap, you then sort of fall out of love with it because it's not easy. Like,
it's not straight.
You live in a house, you flush your toilet, you turn your tap on, you chuck your rubbish out in the wheelie bin, and all them little things. If you do it just because it's cheap, well, they'll get to you in the end anyway, won't they? So yeah. Don't do it because it's cheap.
Logic, but anyway.
No, like, because if you're doing it just because it's cheap and you're not doing it because you want to live on a boat and you want the freedom, you're not willing to make the sacrifices, are you? Just because it's cheap.
You'd have to, you've got to want to do this, otherwise yeah. Because it's not going to be for everybody.
Anyway, I suppose better carry on my jobs and all.
Yes, would you?
Got a boat to clean. It's filthy. Well, this is what the winter does to your boat. She's looking a bit sorry for herself. Look at that, she's filthy. Doesn't actually show up how dirty it is on the camera, I don't think. But yeah, she definitely needs a bit of a clean look. All the dirty rope lines on her because we've been moving for a bit. So, that is today's job. Let's get her clean. Need to get rid of all these berries and crap that are trapped under that cable. I still haven't found a decent solution for that yet. I put it on some magnets and that didn't hold the cable up enough and the magnets fall down, look, and then it traps any little bit of dirt and debris underneath. So I don't know, I've been looking at some PVC pipe. Watch this space, there's another video coming. Look at the state of that, it's minging. Let's get it sorted.
Who's the king of the castle? Yeah.
Get out and climbing.
It's pretty grim, isn't it?
It is. You don't realise how dirty it is until...
You're going to be finished it before dark?
I don't think so. I'm not going to get that side done because it's going to be a pain.
Is it a bit like cleaning the fourth row with the toothbrush?
Yeah, what you said.
Oh, there are magnets on there with the cable on it.
Yeah, I've just put it on top so I can get all the from underneath them. I was just talking to them about that. So I need to sort out a better way to get them cables up. I got my new mic. You know, like, I don't know, does it mean you're getting old? Or does it mean
darling.
Really sad?
No, it means you're hanging out with old people too much.
You spend your Christmas money on practical things like a new mop for the boat.
Well, I got a garlic press, so...
Garlic press, yeah. I don't know what's more exciting actually, a mop or a garlic press.
Garlic press is exciting.
It's alright actually, it does
I was telling Jilly about your flat hose and how excited you got about your flat hose.
Oh, I've got a flat hose as well. I've been and bought that for Christmas, so I'll have to show you that next time I fill up.
You were excited. So what bits have you cleaned then? All that bit there?
What, but don't be cheeky. Don't be cheeky. You can see which bits I've cleaned. Surely.
Shouldn't you have clean shoes on top of there though?
Yeah, but I'm going to jet wash it off now.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. Well, it's still wet with with my other gadget.
This is your other tool that you love, isn't it?
It's ideal, just get water straight out the canal.
Yeah, why not?
Oh, it's run dry. It's pink in the ocean now.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's squished. Maybe it's getting squashed.
We can edit this bit out, love.
What, with your crappy operations?
Hey? There we go.
Oh, and he's got your solar panels nice and clean, look. That makes him excited when he gets clean solar panels, because he hates having dirty solar panels. He doesn't like having leaves on them either.
No, I'm not doing... I've done... From that hatch, I'm pointing so they can see them and not just you. I've done from that hatch to the front, and then obviously, as you can see, that bit
hasn't been done yet.
Still absolutely. What do you say? Gipping?
Gipping?
That's a northern word, isn't it?
Gipping?
Don't you say it? I thought you said gipping.
I've never said a gipping. Minging is what I say, yeah, minging.
I don't know where I've got gipping from. Then
Neither do I, you weirdo. I think I've heard gipping, but I don't know where from. Anyway,
what? I'm guessing you're going in because you're cold.
I am. And I've only got pyjamas on, for crying out loud.
It's a good job. Somebody's put the fire on for you this morning.
Well, I might need to stoke it though. I had to give it a little poke around and put some more lumps on.
Talking about the fire?
Yes.
If anybody's got any recommendations for what to clean the boat with, then I'd be all ears. Because at the minute we've just got some, what is it, eco washing up.
Yeah.
But
you did have some.
It doesn't seem to get through the grime enough. But
no,
we can't just use
anything.
any old stuff because obviously it goes in the canal, so it needs to be sort of eco-friendly. So if you've got any suggestions, comment below.
There'll be something specifically for, I can't speak. There'll be something you can use that's for canal boats, no?
I don't know, probably. I want recommendations though.
Yeah, that's true. People
Google and there'll be a million products.
Oh, I hate Google for that. It's too many options. I want someone to tell me what to use. Use this. Where are you going to put your mop, Anthony, when you're done with it?
Well, how handy is this, Emma?
Or you can keep it in my mop bucket.
It can fold down and go in the bucket.
I see.
See? How handy is that?
Oh, I didn't realise there was a little black closed off bit in there.
There's a little, it's a public footpath.
Oh, it's next to the water, isn't it? Yeah.
There's a river there, so
the dogs will be in there. No, she'll.
We're going for a swim. That's where I'm going to keep my mop. Look, sorted.
Nice. Right then, I'll go back in, shall I?
Yeah.
Shut the hatch.
Bedroom Houdini for me, please. Otherwise it'll get a bit wet. But yeah, I'll get the roof on this side done, and then I'll have to cool it, but it'll probably be dark then.
You'll have to come in for tea then.
It's a bit dark, but hopefully you can see the difference from before. Oh, sunshiny. We are all good. Might get some charging on the solar panels now, they're clean too. I say we're all good. I haven't done that side yet, so that's a job for when the towpath changes sides. And I think I'm going to pick myself up some black conduit, get them cables in, get them nice and neat, and hopefully stop any dirt getting trapped under the handrail then. We'll see. Oh, she's right, you know. Like, the gas doesn't... the gas never runs out in the middle of the day in the sunshine. It's either, like, 4:15 in the morning when I'm making her a cup of coffee, or in the evening just when we're in a rush or it's raining. It's never a convenient time.
Sometimes we don't have any gas at all, do we? Because we forget.
No. One time we forgot we were already on the second bottle. And we had.
I love the way you say we.
Yeah, we were on the second bottle and I
I hadn't remembered. So
enough.
what did we do? We just had takeaway, didn't we, that night?
We went to Morrison's to get a bottle. Oh yeah, we had. Yeah, we did.
I don't know. I think
Was I in the middle of cooking?
I think so. She was in the middle of cooking dinner and the gas ran out and I went to change it over and I'll come back in with the bad news. Yeah.
You're lucky it wasn't the morning. I hadn't had my coffee.
You've seen it without a coffee. It's not good. Yeah, and since I cleaned the boat, the towpath switched sides, so I've cleaned the other side as well, haven't I?
That was me.
And I know I asked for recommendations of what to use to clean the boat, but I now know what not to use to clean the boat. As you will see next week, I may have messed up a little bit. Yeah, so
If you'd have asked me before you did it, I would have given you the.
I had a thought it might do something, but I didn't think it'd be as bad as it was.
My years of wisdom upon you and told you it was a bad idea because I did something similar to my dad's car when I was a kid. Apparently,
I'll show you that next week, folks. But yeah, it's not good, but I think it's salvageable. It shouldn't be too bad. I think it's all right.
You made it out to be so easy. You're like, don't worry, it's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. I have to say that, otherwise she'll lynch me. Anyway, I suppose that's it for this week, isn't it? All you got left.
Oh no, it isn't.
All you got left is the joke of the day. You love it. Should we have a cleaning related one? Should we see me cleaning the boat?
How about a dog drowning one?
You leave my puppies alone. Anyway, you're listening.
I haven't got a choice.
Well, it's coming. So I'm looking at a new career. I think I'm gonna. What?
I was a stand-up comedian.
No.
Oh, wasn't that the joke?
No, I think I'm gonna see if I can set up a business cleaning mirrors. It's something I could really see myself doing.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
On that note, see you next week, folks.
Bye. See you
Goodbye.
later.